didn't do the service or anything like that, at least it's an educational moment and an experience for me. So I get into the habit of trying to learn as much as possible so that, I can either not just improve my knowledge, but my awareness and being able to know, okay, this is what needs to be done for whatever job. And he walked me through the job site. Now, in case you didn't know what site cleanup is, I'm going to tell you. Site cleanup is all it entails is you cleaning up any debris or anything that's not supposed to be on the ground or in the home on the floors or anything like that while the people are in there working on homes, while the construction men are working on homes. That's all site cleanup is. That's where subcontracting comes into play. So he tells me, okay, do you guys do post-construction clean? I say yes, because I'm going to say yes to everything, which I've learned, especially being in CBN and working under, being mentored by AJ Simmons of Clean Business Network, and also, all the other, you know, big timers in there that share a wealth of knowledge